In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Dyson. This one here is a V7. It's very similar for a lot of the models. I got this battery here on Amazon, and all you're going to need is the replacement battery and a screwdriver, a small Phillips head. The smaller the better, I would say. And I'm going to walk you through that process right now. Just to show you, the vacuum works. That's the current Dyson battery. You can see, whoops, you can see on the bottom of it. This is the Dyson. This is the new one. The new one is twice the battery capacity, so it should last much longer. This battery is about 4 years old now, so I didn't want to replace my whole Dyson on max suction. It lasts for like 30 to 45 seconds, so I was getting annoyed of it, so I just ordered a replacement battery. There's 3 screws. First one is right here, so you can see that it's in the back of the handle. Then the 2 others are hidden there. I'll give you a close-up in a second. So we're going to start by removing this screw here. So lefty-loosey. Just make sure you get it out. Only takes a couple of spins. We're going to put this off somewhere safe in the side. Okay. And then we have 2 more here. The first step that I should mention is you want to actually clear your vacuum, because to make it easier, you can actually open this. You don't have to, but you can see that there's 2 screws right in here between the battery and the canister. So just put your screwdriver in there. Make sure to push in so you get some pressure on it. And then we're going to twist to the left. Okay. So get this first one loose. It's a little hard to get it to drop out without opening the canister, but that's okay. Basically where it's going is right here. You can see these holes. That's the screws that we're working with right there. So we're going to do the second one. Loosen it as well. You'll see the battery sort of starting to loosen. I recommend doing this upside down fully. Okay, so we got this first one out. We're going to try and get the second one out right here. And I may have to open the canister. So just pop it carefully. Okay. See, I got a little dirt on the counter. That's okay. We got that second screw out and the battery has released. All right. So this is the old battery. It's gone. We have that screw. I'll clean this later and wash my hands. And that is why it's important to clear, gross, the canister, because then you have easier access to the screws. All right. So now what do we do with the new battery? Very simple. We take the new battery. We're just going to slide it in. You can see the 2 openings for the connectors right there. You can see the 2 connectors in here. Okay, so we're going to just slide it up until it connects. It'll look just like standard. And we're going to do the reverse. So we're going to put in the 2 screws in the bottom first, and then that screw in the back of the handle. We can actually test it now. I charged this battery overnight. It's the same charging cable, same charging port. Whoa. Sounds a little different because I have the canister open right now, but it definitely works on both modes. Great. So let's put those screws in. I'm going to fast forward this part for you. So to get this back screw to go in, you need to make sure that the battery is pushed all the way up. You'll be able to see the holes aligned. So take your palm and push the battery all the way up. That way it'll align. Once it's aligned, it'll go like halfway in if you just push it. And at that point, keep pushing your palm up, and then you can screw it in and it will align perfectly for you. There you go. Make sure it's tight. And now you're done. Your new battery has been placed onto your Dyson. It works in both modes. And there you go. That is how you replace the Dyson battery. It takes just a few minutes, and you can buy this replacement battery right on Amazon.